Alright guys, this is Boots here from Cyborg Team. Today I got the Ajazz K680T. Now I ordered this on Newegg for just under $50. It took it about a month to get to me because it shipped from China. I will include that link in the description, but I will also include other links if you want to get it a little bit faster. But this is a 65% layout with 68 keys. It has a 1000 milliamp hour battery to power the wireless Bluetooth 3.0 connectivity. It also has white backlighting, red linear switches. These switches are Huano brand, that's Huano. It has a nice weight with very little flex in the deck. It has ABS shine through keycaps. There's simple connectivity via Bluetooth, and I'll show you that a little bit later. The box contains a detachable USB-C to USB-A cable, a keycap puller, and the manual. The backlighting modes are pretty typical. There's nothing really super special here, but they are easy to switch through and find what you'd like. Hit the function plus left or right arrow keys to switch through the lighting modes. Function plus up and the down arrows adjust the backlight accordingly. Alright, we have a couple different connection options here. Obviously one you can connect via USB-C cable, and the other option is you can connect through Bluetooth wireless. This keyboard uses Bluetooth 3.0. So here, if you wanted to go into Bluetooth mode, this is what you do. First, disconnect your keyboard. Go to the back here, you have a little switch that says Bluetooth or wire connection. I'm going to switch this over to Bluetooth. And now we're in battery mode, and it's using that 1000 milliamp hour battery. If you hit function, if you look over here at Q, W, and E, you have a 1, 2, and 3. You can connect 3 devices to this keyboard, and it'll store that information in here, so you'll be able to easily switch between 3 things. So here we're going to hit function and Q for device 1. So now we're in device 1 mode, but we have to now pair it. So I'm going to put the keyboard in pairing mode by hitting function and P. You have this little connection symbol here. So function P, hold that down, and then over here you're gonna see after a couple seconds this pairing light flash. It is flashing right now, so that means it's in pairing mode. Now I'm gonna go over here to my PC. In my system here, I'm using a Windows PC. It comes up Ajazz K680T keyboard. So that's nice and easy. We're gonna connect to that. And 1 second later, I am connected. So that light that was flashing, it is now a solid sitting light. I'm going to do a typing test using the keyboard, using wired mode, and then I'll do another test with the Bluetooth wireless to see if there's any kind of latency issues. Alright, so there's my quick typing test. Both modes work very well. On the Bluetooth, I didn't notice any kind of latency at all, or latency issues at all. Now this is just for typing. I haven't played any games or anything with it, but overall, very well. I really like the design of this keyboard. I like the weight. They kept it very just minimalistic design. I like the spacing that they put over here for the arrow keys, and I can just find them easier. Overall, I just really enjoy this design. When I seen it, I knew I had to get it and try it out. If you like this keyboard, I'll have links in the description. If you have any questions about it, hit me up in the comments, but I'm gonna call this one a day. All right, thanks for checking me out. I'll catch you later.